Welcome back to Power Tools Pro. Today we're exploring 20 smart woodworking tools that will completely transform your workshop. These innovative tools improve accuracy, save time, and make woodworking easier, faster, and more professional. Watch carefully because each tool is designed to elevate your skills and efficiency. The Perform Quick Clamp is a versatile and time-saving clamping solution for woodworking projects of all sizes. Designed for rapid one-handed operation, it secures materials firmly without the need for constant adjustment. Its ergonomic handle provides comfortable grip and precise control, while the strong steel jaws ensure stable clamping for accurate cuts, glue-ups, or assembly. Lightweight yet robust, the clamp is ideal for both small hobby projects and professional workstations. Woodworkers appreciate its ability to reduce setup time, hold pieces securely, and improve overall efficiency. With the Perform Quick Clamp, tasks that usually require two hands or multiple clamps can now be completed faster and with cleaner, more reliable results. The Milescraft 1409 Track Saw Guide allows woodworkers to make perfectly straight and accurate cuts with any circular saw. Its lightweight aluminum construction ensures durability without adding bulk, while the anti-slip design keeps the guide steady during cutting operations. The integrated measurement markings make alignment quick and precise, reducing guesswork and wasted material. Ideal for plywood, hardwood, and sheet goods, this track saw guide improves repeatability for rip cuts, cross cuts, and angled cuts. By streamlining setup and improving accuracy, woodworkers can complete projects faster and achieve cleaner edges. Whether you're building furniture, cabinetry, or custom wood panels, the Milescraft 1409 delivers professional results while saving time and increasing confidence in every cut. The T-Square Carpenter Ruler is a versatile measuring tool that ensures precise layout and marking in woodworking projects. Made from durable materials, it combines the functionality of a ruler and square for accurate measurements, right angles, and alignment checks. Its long, straight edge allows for extended marking across panels and boards, while the adjustable scale provides easy customization for specific tasks. Woodworkers use it for cutting guides, furniture layout, and joinery projects. By minimizing errors and improving setup efficiency, this ruler streamlines workflow and saves time. Compact yet sturdy, the T-Square Carpenter Ruler is an indispensable tool for anyone aiming to achieve professional, accurate results in every woodworking task. The NEIKO 01407A electronic digital caliper is a precision measuring instrument designed for woodworking, metalworking, and other workshop tasks. It offers accurate readings up to 0.01 millimeters, ensuring perfect fit and alignment for components. Its digital display makes measurements quick and easy, eliminating guesswork associated with traditional calipers. Made from stainless steel, it is durable, rust-resistant, and built to last. Woodworkers rely on this caliper for measuring thickness, diameters, depths, and joints with high precision. Battery-powered and easy to use, it speeds up layout and quality checks. With the NEIKO digital caliper, woodworking projects become more accurate, professional, and efficient, helping craftsmen maintain consistency across every component. The Tungsten Carbide Burr set is an essential tool for shaping, carving, and detailing wood, metal, and other materials. Made from industrial-grade tungsten carbide, these burrs stay sharp longer than traditional bits, ensuring smooth, efficient material removal. The set includes multiple shapes and sizes, providing versatility for grooves, curves, and engraving tasks. Perfect for woodworking, furniture restoration, and precision crafting, these burrs help professionals and hobbyists achieve clean, intricate details with minimal effort. By improving control and cutting accuracy, they save time during fine shaping and finishing work. Durable and reliable, the Tungsten Carbide Burr set is a must-have accessory for anyone seeking efficiency, speed, and professional results in workshop projects. The 36-inch square ruler is a precise measuring and marking tool for carpenters, woodworkers, and DIY enthusiasts. Its long, straight edge allows accurate alignment of panels, boards, and large surfaces, while the clearly etched markings ensure consistent measurements every time. Crafted from durable materials, it resists warping, bending, or damage from workshop use. Ideal for furniture building, cabinetry, and layout tasks, this ruler helps maintain perfect right angles and straight cuts. Woodworkers rely on it for precise layouts, cutting guides, and project planning. With the 36-inch square ruler, you can save time, reduce errors, and achieve professional-level accuracy and efficiency across all woodworking projects. The square set is an all-in-one alignment tool for accurate measurement, squaring, and layout in woodworking and construction. Crafted from CNC machined aluminum, it is lightweight, durable, and corrosion-resistant, ensuring long-term reliability. Its precise right-angle construction allows users to check corners, edges, and joints with confidence. The square set is versatile, suitable for furniture, cabinetry, framing, and custom woodworking tasks. Woodworkers appreciate its ability to maintain consistent angles, reduce errors, and speed up layout work. By providing both accuracy and convenience, this tool streamlines workflow and ensures professional quality results. Setup blocks are precision tools used to establish accurate spacing, cutting heights, and alignments in woodworking. Made from machined aluminum, they maintain consistent dimensions over repeated use, ensuring reliability in complex projects. Woodworkers use these blocks to calibrate saw blades, router heights, and table positions, reducing guesswork and errors. They save valuable time by allowing repeatable setups for multiple pieces, improving efficiency in workshops and job sites. Setup blocks are versatile, durable, and easy to handle, making them suitable for both beginners and professionals. By providing precise reference points, these blocks streamline workflow, increase project accuracy, and ensure professional quality results on every woodworking task. The 6-in-1 Carpenter Square is a multifunctional measuring and layout tool designed for woodworkers, carpenters, and DIY enthusiasts. Combining multiple functions such as angle measurement, ruler, level, and marking guide, it reduces the need for multiple separate tools. Constructed from durable, corrosion-resistant materials, it delivers precise and reliable performance in any workshop environment. Ideal for furniture, cabinetry, framing, and joinery, this tool helps woodworkers measure, mark, and check angles accurately. Its compact design allows easy storage and portability, while the multifunctional capability saves time and improves efficiency. The 6-in-1 Carpenter Square is perfect for anyone looking to streamline workflow and achieve professional quality results in woodworking projects. The Drawer Slide Jig is designed to simplify the installation of drawer slides and hardware with accuracy and speed. Constructed from durable, high-quality materials, it features laser-engraved measurements and adjustable guides for precise alignment. Woodworkers can quickly position slides at consistent heights, reducing errors and ensuring smooth drawer operation. Its compact and ergonomic design allows one-person use, saving time and effort during assembly. Ideal for cabinetry, furniture, and storage projects, the Drawer Slide Jig ensures professional-level installation without guesswork. By improving alignment, reducing setup time, and enhancing efficiency, this jig becomes an essential tool for workshops aiming for accuracy, clean results, and streamlined workflow in woodworking projects. The measuring tape is a fundamental tool for precise measurement in woodworking, construction, and DIY projects. Its self-locking mechanism ensures accurate readings without slipping, while durable materials resist wear, bending, or damage from repeated use. Ideal for layout, cutting, and alignment tasks, it provides fast and reliable measurement for both large and small projects. Compact and portable, it easily fits into tool belts or pockets, making it accessible at all times. Woodworkers rely on a measuring tape for consistency, efficiency, and precision across all tasks. By reducing guesswork, speeding up measurement, and improving accuracy, this tool becomes an essential part of every woodworking workshop. The folding square is a versatile, portable layout tool that allows accurate angle measurement and marking for woodworking, metalwork, and construction projects. Its foldable design makes it easy to store and carry while providing multiple functions such as 90-degree, 45-degree, and adjustable angles. Crafted from durable materials, it resists wear, bending, and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance. Woodworkers use it for cutting guides, furniture layout, framing, and joinery work, improving precision and efficiency. By reducing errors, speeding up setup, and providing reliable reference points, the folding square enhances workflow and ensures professional quality results. Its compact yet functional design makes it a must-have tool in any workshop. The handsaw is a classic woodworking tool designed for controlled and precise cutting of wood. Its aggressive tooth design allows fast material removal while maintaining clean edges, making it ideal for both rough cuts and finish work. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort and reduces fatigue during extended use. Lightweight yet durable, it provides excellent control and maneuverability for crosscuts, rip cuts, and intricate tasks. Woodworkers use it for furniture, framing, cabinetry, and DIY projects where precision and speed are essential. By combining efficiency, accuracy, and ease of use, the handsaw remains a reliable and indispensable tool for workshops seeking professional results without relying solely on power tools. The Woodworker's Vise is a robust clamping tool designed to secure workpieces during sawing, planing, sanding, and assembly. Its heavy-duty construction ensures stability while providing adjustable jaws for different material sizes. Woodworkers can perform precise cuts and finishing operations safely and efficiently. The vise can be mounted on benches, offering hands-free control, which improves accuracy and workflow. Ideal for furniture, cabinetry, and detailed woodworking, it holds boards firmly in place, preventing movement and mistakes. By saving time, reducing errors, and enhancing precision, the Woodworker's Vise becomes an essential addition to any workshop. Its durability, reliability, and versatility make it an indispensable tool for professional and hobbyist woodworkers alike. Spring clamps are essential quick-grip tools for holding workpieces securely during gluing, assembly, or temporary positioning. Their strong spring mechanism provides consistent pressure, while the padded jaws protect surfaces from dents or scratches. Lightweight and portable, they are perfect for one-handed operation, allowing you to adjust, hold, or release materials quickly. Woodworkers use spring clamps for cabinetry, furniture projects, and DIY crafts to save time and reduce errors. By improving control and workflow, they help maintain alignment and precision while simplifying repetitive tasks. Durable and versatile, spring clamps are a must-have addition to any workshop for faster, cleaner, and professional quality results on a variety of woodworking projects. The Konload draw knife is a classic woodworking tool used for shaping, debarking, and smoothing wood surfaces. Its sharp, curved blade allows controlled material removal, ideal for creating rounded edges, beams, and custom shapes. The ergonomic handles provide comfort and precision during extended use, reducing hand fatigue. Woodworkers and craftsmen appreciate its ability to remove large amounts of wood quickly while maintaining control over fine details. Suitable for carving, furniture making, and traditional woodworking projects, the draw knife improves efficiency and accuracy. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. With the Konload draw knife, woodworkers can achieve professional quality shaping, faster material preparation, and enhanced control for both functional and decorative woodworking tasks. The claw hammer is a fundamental tool for woodworking, construction, and general carpentry tasks. Its dual-purpose design combines a heavy striking face for driving nails with a curved claw for efficient nail removal. The magnetic and fiberglass handle improves grip, reduces vibration, and enhances control during use. Woodworkers rely on it for assembling furniture, framing, and repair projects where precision and power are required. Lightweight yet durable, the claw hammer is suitable for extended use without fatigue. By streamlining tasks like fastening and demounting, it saves time while ensuring accurate, professional results. Every workshop benefits from a reliable claw hammer for consistent performance in both heavy-duty and fine woodworking projects. The Carpenter Square is an essential layout and measurement tool for woodworking and construction. Crafted for durability and accuracy, it helps woodworkers mark precise right angles, check corners, and maintain straight lines on workpieces. Its rigid, well-calibrated design ensures consistent results for cabinetry, furniture, and framing projects. Woodworkers use it to simplify cutting, aligning, and joinery processes, reducing errors and increasing workflow efficiency. Its ergonomic design allows for comfortable handling and easy storage. By combining precision, versatility, and convenience, the Carpenter Square improves project quality and reduces wasted material. A must-have in any workshop, it ensures professional-level accuracy, speed, and reliability for both DIY enthusiasts and professional woodworkers. The edge banding trimmer is a specialized tool designed to cleanly trim excess edge banding for a smooth, professional finish. Its sharp, adjustable blade ensures precise cuts along veneers, laminates, and decorative edges, eliminating roughness and uneven surfaces. Woodworkers use it for cabinetry, furniture projects, and DIY projects to achieve consistent, high-quality results. Ergonomically designed for comfort and control, the trimmer reduces fatigue during repetitive tasks. By improving speed, accuracy, and finish quality, it streamlines workflow and reduces sanding or additional trimming work. Durable and versatile, the edge banding trimmer is an indispensable tool for workshops focused on achieving fast, clean, and professional edges on every woodworking project. The 4-in-1 router milling groove bracket is a multifunctional tool designed to simplify routing tasks in woodworking. Constructed from high-quality aluminum, it offers precise alignment and stability when cutting grooves, dados, or edge profiles. Its adjustable design accommodates multiple routing configurations, reducing setup time and minimizing mistakes. This bracket is perfect for furniture making, cabinetry, and custom woodworking projects, enabling woodworkers to achieve clean, repeatable cuts. By improving precision and control, it enhances workflow and reduces material waste. Whether used by professionals or hobbyists, the 4-in-1 router milling groove bracket is an essential accessory that makes routing faster, easier, and more accurate, elevating the overall quality of woodworking projects. Thanks for watching Power Tools Pro. If these smart woodworking tools inspired you to work faster, smarter, and achieve professional results, smash that like button and subscribe for more expert reviews, tips, and hacks. Hit the notification bell and comment below which tool you can't wait to try first.